Hello everybody, welcome. Now then, today I was going to do a recipe, which I've never done before, which someone asked me to do. Went to get the stuff. Could I get it? Absolutely no. Let me just shut that window, hold on. Absolutely no. Couldn't get it. But now I've found somewhere I can get it now, so I'll probably do that in a couple of days. And while I was at Tesco's, I saw this. That there. I don't know whether they're new or what, I've never seen it before. It was in its own little special shelf thing with a name. Herdez, is it? Herdez or something, I don't know. Mexican City taco kit. Quite expensive. It was £4. You get 8 soft tacos, a seasoning and a jar of salsa. All you've got to add is your mince, bit of water, a bit of tomato puree. So, let's open it up and let's have a look. Oh, you also, I'll show you that in a minute. Right then, I got myself some chip mince. That was only £1.79, I think, from Aldi or something. I think it was the £1.79. And you also get a card. You get like a recipe card with it. Now there's 3 different ones up Tesco. There was a barbecue one and this one, but there's only a card for for that one there and for this one. That one is with, I don't know, you'd probably be able to read that. I can't read that thing. Yucatan tacos or something, I don't know. Yeah, that one anyway. But this one's a Mexican City classic with salsa. Right, so let's open it up anyway and let's have a look. I've never heard of this stuff before. What's it say on the back? Authentic Mexican style recipe developed with the Herdez, a Mexican family business with over 100 years experience in making Mexican food. Is it Herdez or what? I don't know how you say that either. Oh. Well, they're big, aren't they? For a start. Look at the size of them little things. There's my hands. Tiny, aren't they? A bit disappointed with that. There's this seasoning. Cumin, garlic and cayenne pepper. So I just add an oil, the beef, water and tomato puree. That's that. And there's the salsa. Can't see that with the light. So I can get it without the light getting on it. Get off light. Tomato, coriander and chili peppers. There's the thingies for that. I won't be able to read that not in a million years. I ain't got my glasses on. If you can read it. What does it say on this per taco? Yeah, there they are. If you want to have a read, I can't. It's too small for me without my glasses. Anyway, I'm a bit disappointed with them though. I mean, for £4, I mean, you can buy a pack of them for £1. Pack of seasoning, couldn't you, for what? What's a pack of seasoning? 50p? And some salsa for £1, couldn't you? Or even nachos, Doritos salsa or something, couldn't you? For 70p from Aldi. So it's quite expensive, £4. When you could have got it for £1.60, for about £2. But we'll try it anyway and we'll see what the crack is. Well, I'm not going to put any oil in the pan because obviously this is full of fat anyway. So first things first, we'll get the mince browned up. Get that in. Nice little sizzle. I'm not going to season it because I just want to use the seasoning out of the packet. Right, what does it say next? Obviously we've got to brown that up, haven't we? Right, heat the oil in a pan. Don't not putting the oil in. Brown the mince, drain, sprinkle over the seasoning, add the water and the puree. Right, I'll let that all brown up then. Right, I'm just squeezing my tomato puree, getting it all prepared, and I thought, why isn't it coming out? Anyway, look at this. It's all bloody come out of the bottom, man. Look at the state of it. Oh well, clean up I suppose. Right, mince is done. I've drained it off. Now I'm going to put the seasoning in. What's it look like? Let's have a look. Yeah, quite a lot. Oh, and it smells nice. It's full to the brim. It smells really nice actually. Yeah, and it's all, well, seems a lot, it's all stuck together, look. Oh, I'd be disappointed in that. Get it all mixed up. Rock hard. Now I'm going to have the 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. That's going in. And half it went on the floor. And 125 ml of water. Give that a mix. Get it all covered. It is smelling nice. Microwave or pan fry these for a minute. I think I'll pan fry them. As I say, look how small they are. There's my hand, look. They're tiny, and they're just like bite-sized. But I'm going to put a little bit of oil in the pan. Just a little bit. And we're going to fry them up for a minute or so each side. Do a couple, I suppose. I won't get more than 2 in, I suppose. Just do the 2 for now. And keep mixing this. Right there, done. That's done. Taking that off. I'm going to flip these over. Go do a couple more minutes. I'll flip them back over again. Another minute or so. And then we'll dish it up. Done. They're looking a lot better now, puffed up. Looking well nice. Couple of minutes. I'll turn them back over. I'll turn it that way so it looks better when I fold it. There we go. And we're going to get some stuff on now. I'm not going to put any salad or anything on. I am going to want to have them for tea. So I hope they're nice. But for now, I just want to taste the stuff. So obviously if you have them, put your salads on and your lettuce and your tomatoes or whatever. But I want to just taste this. I haven't taste tested it or anything yet, so I don't know what they're going to be like. I hope they're nice because I'm having them for tea. I had a bad tea yesterday with them beetroots and mushroom thing. Don't have 2 bad teas on the trot. So let's get the salsa now. Yeah, it smells just like Dorito dip. Very watery though. Is it supposed to be shook first? Let me shake it just in case. Yeah, it's thickened up a bit. Put a bit on. I'm a little bit disappointed with the wraps though, but what can you do? So let's get let's tuck in. I better get a plate actually. That salsa's going everywhere. So there it is. So it look a lot better when you got your salad and that on it. But I want to test the stuff. So look, got the juice. You can see that coming on the camera. It's a salsa. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. And it's got a kick as well. Oh. Yeah, cloth. If I get shouted out, wipe my mouth with my hands. Yeah, that's nice. Mmm. Oh wow. Wow. I can taste the cayenne pepper. I can't really taste a lot of garlic. Mmm. Tastes too spice. They've got a little kick. I wouldn't say too though. Oh, I enjoy them. They're nice. They are nice. They're very nice. But would I buy it again? £4. That's salsa. Let me try a bit on a spoon on that salsa on its own. That salsa on its own, because I said them on their own there as well, was £2.50. And I don't think that's as good as the Doricho one. Or the Aldi one. Not much to it for £2.50. But the seasoning's lovely. The wraps, I mean, quite pathetic. I do have to have all them to fill me. I mean, I'm fat, but they ain't big enough for me, them ain't. Yeah. Would I buy it again? I don't think I would for the price. Don't get me wrong, it's gorgeous. But it's just the price when you can buy a season pack for like 50p. And some big ones of them from Aldi for like 90p, I think, or £1 now, whatever they are, gone up a little bit. Well, it is not, unless that's, because I've never seen them before. Unless that's just a new thing they bought out, maybe it might be a trial size, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Well, there we go anyway. I'll eat the other one, because they are nice. Mmm. The flavours are really nice, really nice. I don't know if I'd buy it again, you know, for £4, because it is nice. It is nice. Mmm. I don't know, it's nice, you know, it is nice. I'm in two minds for £4. But I'll tell you what they do, like, they do the seasoning packets as well, just the packet. They do the pack, I think it was £1.20, so it might be worth just buying the packet of that. Yeah, £4. First snack for 4 here, I suppose. You know, 2 each. Yeah, 50p of taco there. Yeah, but then you've got your mince. I'm going to say I'd buy it again because of the flavour. But I would, but I don't know. It's because of the size. Yeah, I'd buy it again. I'm going to say I'd buy it again because I would buy it again. I'm not going to lie. It's just the price. But there you go. Anyway, it's gorgeous. Herdez, whatever it is, Herdez or whatever how you say it in Mexican. Herdez Mexican City Taco Kit. And I decided to do that one as well. I can't even pronounce that one. Plus, they do a barbecue one as well. So there we go anyway. I'll leave it up to you. I thought I'd try it and show you if you haven't seen it before. So I'm the old food guy. I can't pick whether I'd buy. I probably would because I'd eat it again. Yeah, I'm going to go with yes. I'm going to go with yes. Yes, I would. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Tough one that to pick because of the money, but never mind.